Hi, this is Darren Power from bettingschool.com. This video is a quick start tutorial to get members started with the auto betting tools that we have in the Betting School members area. I'm going to go right from start to finish with everything you need to do to get tool 2 working, but things are pretty much the same for tool 1 and will be the same for future tools as we release them. So first of all, you need to download the tool itself. Currently it's the second item on the home page of the members area here, but if you're watching this video later then it may have moved down the page as we add new items. But if you click in categories, auto betting tools, then that's where the tools will be kept. So we need to download tool 2, and the first thing we get is a not authorized message. And all that means is that you're not logged into the forum. The tool is contained within the club forum and you need to log into that separately. It's something you can do once and it will remember your login. So you click login, make sure you've got this log me in automatically on each visit ticked, and then in future you'll always be logged in when you visit the forum, and just put in your username and password. Once you've logged in, you'll see it says log out Darren at the top there, so that's how we know we're in. And then if we go back and click on that download link again, this time it will work, so we'll save that to our PC. File saved, and we'll open that. Now it depends on your security settings what message you'll get with Excel. If you have them set to high, it will probably tell you that there's macros within this and that they've been disabled. I have it set at medium, and in that instance it asks you if you want to enable the macros. You need the macros enabled, otherwise the spreadsheet won't do anything. So click on enable macros, the spreadsheet opens. So that's the spreadsheet. I'll just leave that for a moment. We now need to get the Gruss betting software. Now the way I find it is I just type Gruss software into Google and their site comes up. Number 1. Gruss software. It's actually there. It's gruss-software.co.uk. The betting assistant software is free for 30 days. For club members we can get that extended to 60 days. You just need to email me at support@betting-school.com with your Betfair username. I send that off to Gruss. They extend your trial for 30 days. Now you have to do that before you've ever paid, because once you're a paid customer then the free trial is no longer valid. To use it straight away though, you don't need to pay anything, you just download. So we click on the download button, read the terms and conditions. Once you've read them, tick the box, download the latest version. You'll see a note there about, oh, it's not going to let me do that. Okay, I'll just save that. You'll see a note there about the net framework. Now if you don't have the net framework on your PC, you need to click that link and get it installed. I already have it installed, so I'll press run, and it's telling me that this is a they could not verify the publisher. It's a small publisher, Gruss, but the software is safe. Click run, it will install the software. We'll go through the various buttons there, just keep pressing next. Betting Assistant Beta has been successfully installed. Click close to exit. So we close. Now we start the software. Betting Assistant Beta, there it is. You need to put in your Betfair username and password, and that will log you in to the software. Now to attach the spreadsheet we go back to Betting Assistant. We've got, you can see it's automatically loaded the day's races in here. If you want to bet on other events you can open new pages and you can add in different events. So if you wanted to bet on all the place races, you'd go to market, add to quick pick list, all UK place, and the UK place bets will get added in there. So we're going for the win market. We've got our bets there. We click market, auto select markets at a specific time before the off. I generally leave that at a minute. You might want to put it at 2. Either way, you need to make sure your PC clock is accurate, because if you're betting like I am at 45 seconds before the off and your clock is not accurate, well then your bets aren't going to get placed, because the race will go in play before your bet ever gets submitted. Or if your clock is the other way, then you'll be submitting your bets much earlier than you think you are. So anyway, auto select markets 1 minute before the off, and what that means is it will highlight that first race at 14:09, and then it will highlight that race at 14:19, and so on through the day. And whichever race is highlighted, that's the race the spreadsheet will process. So we now need to attach that spreadsheet to the betting assistant, and we click on Excel, we click on log current prices, we select the spreadsheet name from this drop down box. I've only got one open. We always select sheet 1, we always select A1, and we also always select enable triggered betting. In fact, you could not enable that if you just wanted to let the tool run and see what would have happened. You'll manually have to work out the results, and it will be no good for trying the staking plan, but it will tell you what bets would have been submitted through the day, and you could then check the results and see how you would have got on. You need to have show balance if you're using the staking plan. These two need to be clicked as well. Clear triggers clears matched odds, and clear bets on auto select market. Click OK, and your tool is now up and running, ready to go. If you go to sheet 1, you'll see this is the current data coming through for that race. This is the current time, how long it is for the off, etc, etc. And that's finished. You can leave it running for the day. Okay, that's all for this video. This is Darren Power from bettingschool.com.